In today's episode, I will do a very detailed shots and unboxing of this amazing Sony 24-70 F2.8 G Master second generation lens. Let's dive in. I hope you enjoyed the detailed shots of the lens. I'll be doing photo and video test soon, so drop the comment down below if you have any questions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you're not a subscriber yet. And what else? Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!